జంపింగ్, స్కిప్పింగ్ వంటి వర్కౌట్లు కూడా ఇంటి పట్టునే ఉండి చేయొచ్చు. ఏ పార్కుకో వెళ్ళి జాగింగ్ చేయడానికి ఇబ్బంది అనిపిస్తే డాబా పైనో వాకిట్లోనో 15 నిమిషాల పాటు వేగంగా నడవండి. మరిన్ని విషయాలు తెలుసుకునే ముందు ఫ్యాషన్ ట్రెండ్స్ చూద్దాం.
This is Nisha Gupta and I am the owner and CEO of label En Vogue. To see our designs, let me begin and show you this kind of this is a heavily ruffled dupatta lehenga with a sequenced embroidered blouse. Okay, so if you notice, it's a contrast lehenga, so it's made in a floral organza because florals are the current trend and the current look in this 2020. So we're looking at a lot of colors which have got subtle florals, pastel florals, and also darker shades of florals. Okay, so the entire lehenga is made in 5 layers, loaded, so it gives you that real bounce. So it's not a one layer lehenga, it's made in 5 layers, completely pleated, and we have a ruffled dupatta in 2 layers, which would be a combination of the blouse, which is completely sequenced embroidery, and we have to given that extra sophisticated look. We have given this lovely Zardosi embroidered blouse. Okay, so if you see, we've given the neckline which is very deep. Okay, so it gives you that extra cut in that blouse and gives you a really svelte look, and the double layer ruffle, basically what it adds is that extra tint to your dress, giving that extra style, especially for young girls these days who just love to dress up and just want to get rid of those really regular trend dupattas. They love going for ruffles because ruffles are very much in trend. I'm going to show you a heavily brocade fabric dupatta. Okay, so if you see, this is completely in brocade. It's a Japanese brocade, so it's not an Indian fabric, but it's giving you that subtle sheen in the fabric, which is completely self embossed printed. Okay, so it's got a lot of gold work and it's self embossed with a lot of thread work. That's why it's a Japanese brocade. And here again we've given you a lovely net with the embellished gold work on it, and we've given you this light ruffles to give it that look with the green on the lehenga. So we've given this one side shouldered top. It's a ruffled top, so basically it sits very prettily on one side of your body and gives you that edge over showing the other side of your shoulder, which is the right side. It gives you that nice looking cheekbones and that cut of your jawline because it's quite bare over here, but you can just wear a tiny little necklace or a showpiece around your ear and you all set to be dazzled at any party. Okay, so this is in colors, are very pastel, very pretty in colors, and it's going to give you that edge over every party, especially if you're anyone who's a teenager or in your 20s. This is something that you would love to carry off any season, be it's a summer, a spring, autumn and winter. This is a color that's going to set trends and keep heads turning. Here we have something just right for someone who loves bright colors. If you can see, this is a rainbow colored net lehenga, completely in rainbow colors. If you notice very clearly that it's not in one particular shade, it's made in 5 different shades of green. Okay, so it's made in different layers where we've dyed the net in different layers, and again this is made in 5 layers. Though it's in 5 layers, we've given fabrics which are very lightweight and easy to move around. Okay, and we've given this heavily bordered pretty dupatta which is in a bright fuchsia, bright pink, okay, a lovely candy fuchsia pink, okay. We've given a completely embroidered blouse, okay, and this is not a stereotype blouse because this is got basically a pattern that has a U cut, okay. So when I'm saying a U cut, it's not a straight cut blouse, it gives you that nice edge when you wear it. So someone who's broad shouldered, if they wear a blouse which gives you that nice U cut from below, it kind of tapers your body. So as I told you, we take into consideration the body shape and you know, the kind of texture that would look good on the body shape, on the color and of a person when we design. So something like this is just to show you the kind of variety in blouses we stitch. So something which is very broad necked and broad shoulders, and this tapered cut which has a slight U when it's worn. Let me show you. The blouse is again a very wide open blouse, okay, and with a nice heavy tassel is something that you can wear. So the entire fabric is completely embossed with a gold sequence work, yeah. So to give that complementing look, we've also added the sequence on the dupatta and on the skirt, and we've given the complementing look on the blouse with the similar kind of gold. So it complements each other, plus the pink and the pink on the net kind of complements and gives that vibrancy to the entire outfit. So when you probably capture it during any function, you would see that you get these entire shades of green in a rainbow look when you wear it. So as we move from organza to Japanese brocade to nets, let me show you something that's simply the love of South. Yes, that's right, you've got it right, that's silk. And if you've noticed, everybody in South, down South and Hyderabad love silk. The variety of silks that we get to see over here, it can't be better than any other city. Yes, this is made in pure silk, and if you see, it's got this little sequence, gold sequence work with a lovely digital print right at the below. Yeah, the entire skirt is in complete pure sense with sequence, and to complement it, we've given this self embossed embroidered peach color blouse, okay. So it with the same digital print. So it's, since it's winter, we've given this long sleeves with the digital printed sleeves at the below, okay, and the full embossed. If you see this tiny little embroidery embossed on the entire blouse. So to give it that good punch, we've given a nice deep neck which gives a nice cut and a svelte look in the entire figure of a girl. So, and we've given this nice peach dupatta with the same borders that we've been using on the skirt and the blouse. So it's got this little zardozi work on the dupatta on the border, and the same we're using the same kind of V behind, because the entire V look, if you make a notice at the bottom of the sleeve, the V look behind with the zardozi behind, and as well as the dupatta and at the border. We have another collection of a different fabric organza. As you see, we've already seen the sheen organza. This is a matte finish organza, okay. So well, it's got a lovely fall, it's got a heavily, you know, worked embroidered and sequenced work border, and it's got this lovely floral prints, just the color of the season, that's a fuchsia reddish pink. So this is going to be something very different in terms of color, in terms of the fabric, and also in terms of the fall. Again, this is another 4-layered lehenga. So though it's 4-layered, we try to keep things which are you know, light and easy for people to carry around, so that they're not too stressed out with wearing tons and kilos of it, unless it's a bridal lehenga. So these are the kind of designs which you know, girls love, and the colors which are in trend. We always try to keep the colors very much in the season, you know, whether it's a winter, whether it's a summer, we try to bring the colors of the season and design the outfits. So hope you like our designs, and we've got many more designs to showcase and to customize and design, because I basically love designing and focus more on bespoke outfits. So please do visit my store. We are at Sun City at Taj Heights. Feel free to buzz us. Thank you.
చూసారు కదా ఫ్యాషన్ ట్రెండ్స్. ఇక ఆరోగ్యాన్ని ఇచ్చేది మెడిటేషన్. లేలేత సూర్యకిరణాలు ప్రసరించే చోటు చూసుకొని 15 నిమిషాల పాటు మెడిటేషన్ చేయండి. క్రమబద్ధంగా శ్వాసను పీలుస్తూ విడుస్తూ మీకు నచ్చిన అంశంపై దృష్టి కేంద్రీకరించడానికి ప్రయత్నించండి. మెడిటేషన్తో జీవక్రియలు సక్రమంగా సాగుతాయి. రోజంతా ఫ్రెష్గా